EZWrite 6 is packed with powerful features that make whiteboarding more productive. One of these is the translation tool. Before using the translation tool, you need to set the language you want to use. To do this, go to Settings and tap on the Translation menu. Here you can select the input and output languages. If the language you want is not available, you must first download the corresponding package. There are more than 50 languages available. Once the input and output languages are set up, tap Back, then Close. Select a word or phrase and tap here on the Object menu to translate it. That's it. Now you can translate words and phrases with a single tap.